Hello everybody and welcome to the video. So what we have here today is the third Hampton Bay Barrow Island ceiling fan. The ceiling fan is an indoor-outdoor fan with plastic blades, 3 speeds, reversible. This fan is for sale and it will be on eBay. You can install this fan just like this. You can install it, if you have a lower ceiling, you could flush mount it. You could install a ceiling with the maximum slope of 18 degrees. If it's more than 18 degrees, you're going to need to get a longer down rod. Anyways, we will go to low. Ooh. Gotta turn on the switch here. This fan is a pretty good performer for a Hampton Bay. I'm selling this fan for $79.99, and if to buy brand new, because they still sell these, is $124.99. The link will be in the description on eBay. I think the ring fell down on it. Yeah, I think that's it up there. Anyways, we'll go to medium. The chain on this one pulls the most gently. Go to high. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.